Magandang araw mga bossing. At welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV. Ang Pinoy na ito ay kinilala bilang mala Alden Richard ang karisma. Hindi lang itsura ang naging panglaban nito sa kanyang kalaban, kundi pati ang dalawang kamao nito na mas mabigat pa sa suntok ng papa mo na nanakawan ng manok. Animoy weigh-in pa lang pati ang kuya ni Totoy Brown ay inakalang easy fight ang magiging laban. Sa kanyang iniisip, itsura nga lang daw naman ng inilamang nito ating boksingero. Subalit halos lampasuhin na nito ang sahig ng lona sa ilang beses lumuhod sa kamao ni kabayan. Ilang beses bagsak, subalit itong referee ay tila kamag-anak ata nitong kalaban at para may mansanilya ang paa nito sa ilang ulit lumuhod sa laban.
The theme of this fight years old, Kusik. But this is good. He's out to win the World Championship has been Jerusalem. Fights he's won his last.
Sa bilis nga ng suntok ni Richard, di mo namamalayan na pinagpalit ka na pala sa malapit. Wala eh, gawin mo man yung best mo, pag nagsawa na sa'yo yan, wala ka nang magagawa. Sabi nga nila, madaling hulihin ng manok kapag nakatali.
Break, he throws that rock, comes down with it, leaves you in an all-star finishing position. That's a slip, not enough now. Break, ball. Stop!
Sa pangalawang round mga bossing, parehas hindi nagpapatinag ang dalawang boksingero sa palitan ng malalakas na suntok. Kahit nga gaano kakalakas, kapag may nakita na yung iba, iiwan ka na rin yan. Artista nga iniiwan, ikaw pa kayang mukhang hinampas sa lupa.
Go ahead, right your head. Stop! Bob, that's a slip. Right the screen. Venus a slip. Come on, Bob. Again, then he pushed him into the corner just before the round managed to get through with a combination. He's trying to watching the second round. It's a tight position, straight up. He's going Jerusalem. All Jerusalem anticipate that straight up attack. Getting behind, gotta figure that out. Stop!
Sa pangatlong round, isang kaliwa ang tumama sa kalaban, subalit not counted nga ito sa referee. Malinis na kitang-kita tumama ito. Hindi naman sa sinasabi ko na kampi ang referee. Ang sinasabi ko lang, kahit gaano ka pakagaling sa buhay, kapag yung taong mahal mo na walan ng gana sa'yo, asahan mong wala ka nang babalikan pa. Sabi nga, kahit anong daming problema ang iyong harapin, tumalikod ka lang.
Let's go. Side to side movement shown here. Very predictable with his attack. Right ahead. Now we're losing on 10. Very different Jerusalem. Underneath him, and if he doesn't get there with the first phase of it, at times just great. And I think Jerusalem is figured use it out and see whether he can take advantage of that situation. Here he comes again. Jerusalem got tied there. Jerusalem retaliating with the right hand that was off. these two have decent success actually.
Stop!
30.
Chop, chop, chop! Time! It's 1 round 4. Yes,
Sometimes when he throws it, he's almost pulling it back.
Sa ika-4 na rounds mga bossing, napapayakap na nga itong kalaban sa mga suntok ni Kabayan na halata na kaya ka nasasaktan. Iniisip mo kasi na gusto ka rin niya kahit hindi naman talaga, na para bang nag-alaga ka ng ibon tapos kinain lang ng pusa.
Punching like he did before. He's starting off with a right jab, realizing that Jerusalem is going to counter it.
stop!
Now Gusev. Well, one thing Jerusalem has to do, he's got to earn the respect of Gusev, not at the moment. He's got to make Gusev feel his power. The 1 minute mark of round number 4.
Right! Chop, chop, chop! Yes, chop, chop, chop! Chop! Yes, chop, chop!
Rounds. Be interesting to see one on the jab.
That's you! 1 minute! 1 round 4! Yes, hands up, hands up! Good, check one!
Big
Check
adjustment.
one!
It's a really good second half to this round, doesn't it, Gusev? That's right. And that adjustment.
Come on, let it go! Come on! Go!
Round 5.
Yes, keep the hands up though.
Time. It's understandable that you might get
Now
to it,
push it
but
back, that's it, now push it.
I don't think he's too worried, so as we mentioned earlier on, when he can get himself into range properly. He's really been a little bit more clinical than Jerusalem on time, figuring out.
Go, go.
It's back.
Go ahead.
Again, swinging for the home.
Stop, come on.
2 of the judges, I'll say 2-2 is a fair score, and the other judge 3-1 for Jerusalem. If I saw a 3-1, it would probably be the other way, I think. He's clearing the cobwebs, that's for sure. Now he's back. Back in the saddle. Throwing punches once more. Jerusalem looks like he's looking for just one punch. Nice exchange here in the middle. The fifth. Both fighters trying to steal this. Just Gusev coming in. Again, Jerusalem pushing me up his feet there, so he gets the fight as nice and close. Let's go.
Break.
Yes. He's also getting move away.
Break.
He traps it. That's a good one, the attack.
Break.
It's Gusev is actually dictating inside the ring. He just might win this round.
Go.
Very good showing here.
Sa pagsapit ng ika-7 round, patuloy pa rin ang pinapakitang lakas ni Kabayan sa laban. Tuloy pa rin ang tibay ng stamina nito. At alam nyo ba, ang Eagles 90 years yan nabubuhay. Ang pang 40 years niya, ang tuka niya at manglos ay pumupurol. The point na di niya na kaya maghat ng sarili niyang pagkain. Kaya may dalawang choice ang Eagles. Mamamatay sila or pupunta sila sa mountain. Sa loob ng 150 days, paulit-ulit nilang ibabangga yung tuka nila at lost pati yung feather nila. Yung tuka nila, malalaglag yun tapos tutubo ulit.
Starting now. A second ago. Once again, that has been the plea of his corner. Very silent. They're seeing a Jerusalem. Crowd is not reacting. Oh! Break of a scheduled 12-round championship bout. He continues to miss.
Holding. Seems to go the match. Not what you normally see sometimes.
See, he's following it to the letter.
Yes, push him back. See that. Look, we need this round. That's it.
Has switched. It's quicker in the draw.
Away from home here, make the most of every opportunity that you get because you That's it, keep walking, keep walking. Yes, yeah. Right. Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah. Thank you, so close the combination he managed to do throughout the entire fight so far. Oh, yes.
The pace and the tempo of this match. He has been scoring around
77-75. ENC at 77-75.
for Kuse.
Let's go, Sia, let's go.
But right now, those footage because they have not yet gotten the best of Hiroshi.
Completely different ways. One's got 3
Somebody is probably going to go Kuse's way.
Here's the last round.
Picture. Round number 9 should have gone to Kuse. 3 rounds will probably win the fight. So it's 9. He's got to be able to show a lot more.
That's it. We need this.
Oh, by at least 1.
Maybe thought it was a break on Yes, yeah. Open it up. Put that on. Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah.
Hold your head. In the final seconds. And Kuse still in round number 11. Could make a case that whoever wins these last 2 rounds wins this fight.
Jerusalem as he was just pulling himself.
Come on.
But he has good conditions. There's no doubt about that.
He's poised to get back.
Under the couple of good clean shots. Some big body work there. Yes, yeah. Work here, yes.
His shots of Jerusalem in this Bottle. Job in the previous round of outsmarting. Kuse. No combinations from Jerusalem. Seal the deal. Make it easy on him. No! Approach this one, and the crowd getting behind the champion Melvin. Kuse looking a little bit tired here in the 12th round. Jerusalem is already is better than Jose has. Almost an knockout. Final seconds of the strawweight championship. And Melvin might have been able to do just enough to retain his title.
Yes, indeed.
16 to 112, all for the winner by unanimous decision, and still WBC minimum wage.
Dahil nga walang knockout ang nangyari sa laban, panalo ang ating kababayan via unanimous decision. Sa bilis nga ng pangyayari, tapos na. Grabe, ang bilis ipagpalit. Kawawa naman yung nanonood. Hanggang dito na lang mga bossing, hanggang sa muli. Paasa ka. Asa ka kasi ng asa sa taong wala ka namang pag-asa. Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.